If you want to add an AOL email account to Gmail, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. This is a great way to manage both of your email accounts in one place, so you can check your AOL messages without constantly switching between apps or tabs. It's simple, practical, and once it's set up, it can save you a lot of time every day. And before we get into it, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail by visiting mail.google.com. Once Gmail loads, make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want your AOL emails to appear. If you're already logged in, you're good to go. If not, sign in first so you can access the settings inside Gmail. Now look toward the top right corner of Gmail and click the settings gear icon. From the quick settings panel, choose See All Settings. This will open the full Gmail settings page, where you can manage everything from inbox layout to account connections and email imports. On this page, click the Accounts and Import tab. This is where Gmail lets you connect other email services like AOL. Next, scroll down until you find the section called Check Mail from Other Accounts. Under that section, click Add a Mail Account. A new window will pop up asking for the email address you want to connect. Type in your AOL email address, then click Next. At this point, Gmail will ask how you want to import your mail. Select Import Emails from my other account POP3, then click Next again. POP3 is the method Gmail uses to fetch your AOL messages and bring them into your Gmail inbox. Now it's time to enter your AOL mail settings. In the username field, enter your full AOL email address. In the password field, enter your AOL password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on AOL, you may need to use an app password instead of your regular password. For the POP server, type pop.aol.com. For the port, enter 995. Then make sure the box for Always Use a Secure Connection (SSL) is checked. This is important because it keeps your login and email connection protected. Once everything is filled in correctly, click Add Account. Gmail will now try to connect to your AOL account using the information you provided. If all of your details are correct, the account should be added successfully and Gmail may begin importing your AOL messages. Depending on your settings, you may also see options for labeling incoming messages or leaving a copy of retrieved mail on the AOL server. You can choose whichever settings best fit your workflow. If you want to keep everything organized, labels can be especially helpful so you always know which emails came from AOL, and that's it. You've now added your AOL email account to Gmail. From this point on, you can check your AOL messages right inside Gmail and keep everything in one convenient inbox. It's one of the easiest ways to simplify email management and stay organized across multiple accounts. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. And if you want, I can also show you how to send AOL emails from Gmail after this, so you can both receive and reply from one place. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.